Gold loses some sheen as hawkish Fed outweighs softer inflation. Gold prices retreated on Friday, as hawkish remarks on hobby rate hikes by way of the Federal Reserve outweighed optimism over signs of cooling U.S. inflation. As of 22:17 Eastern Time, 2:17 Greenwich Mean Time, spot gold changed into down 0.1% at $1,788.13 an oz, even as gold futures held round $1,803.50. Still, both units were set for mild profits this week, marked with the aid of a sharp fall within the greenback. But overnight remarks from Fed officials on the direction of coverage tightening kept investors unsure over future interest fees. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly mentioned she turned into open to a 75 foundation factor charge hike in September, noting that inflation still remained around 40-year highs, stated. Chicago Fed President Charles Evans additionally stated this week that the Fed could need to elevate costs to at least 3.25% to 3.5% by way of the year-end, to fight inflation. U.S. benchmark prices are presently between 2.25% to 2.5%. Their comments offset optimism over an surprising fall in U.S. producer price inflation in July, information confirmed on Thursday. This came after a reading on Wednesday showed U.S. patron charge inflation remained static through July, after growing exponentially in advance inside the 12 months. While both readings prompted a pullback within the Greenback Index, buyers remained uncertain over the direction of U.S. monetary coverage this 12 months, for the reason that there may be more inflation and employment statistics due earlier than the Fed and RSQUO's next assembly. Treasury yields also rose this week. Prices of other treasured metals meditated this fashion. Platinum futures fell 0.6%, at the same time as silver retreated 0.4%. Among commercial metals, copper futures fell 0.3%, as concerns over slowing production pastime throughout the globe endured to weigh at the pink metallic. While copper is about for a mild weekly gain on weak point within the dollar, it still faces dangers from a slowdown in foremost importer China. Rising COVID cases in a few components of the mainland are likely to trigger extra losses in copper fees.